If you want to see more electrical and electronics engineering related videos, then check the playlist section of this channel. In this video, we will see phasor relationships for circuit elements. Question: what is the instantaneous voltage across a 2 microfarad capacitor when the current through it is I is equal to 4 sin 10 to the power 60 plus 25 degree ampere? So here in this problem we have to find instantaneous voltage across capacitor. The formula to find the voltage across capacitor is given by capital V is equal to I divided by j omega C. Now here what is given? The value of capacitance is given, C is equal to 2 microfarad. So it is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Then the value of current is given. So I of t is equal to 4 sin 10 to the power 6 t plus 25 degree ampere. Now this is not in standard form. So the standard form for this is I of t is equal to Im cos omega t plus phi. So here it is in sine form. So let's convert this into cosine form. So it will be I of t is equal to 4 cos 10 to the power 60 plus 25 degree. Now since we change from sine to cosine, so we have to add minus 90 degree here, and its unit will be ampere. Now I of t is equal to 4 cos 10 to the power 6 t minus 65 degree ampere. Now this is in time domain format. We can convert this into its equivalent phasor domain format. So I is equal to 4 at an angle minus 65 degree ampere. Also here we can see the value of omega is equal to 10 to the power 6 radian per second. Then next is, now we can directly solve this. Let's take this formula. Let's substitute the value of I. It is 4 at an angle minus 65 degree divided by j into omega. Omega value is 10 to the power 6 multiplied with capacitor value is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. We can directly solve this in calculator. So it will be 4 at an angle minus 65 divided by I into 10 to the power 6 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. So this is in rectangular form. We can convert this into polar form. Shift 2, 3. So it is 2 at an angle minus 155 degree volts. So this is the voltage across. V is equal to 2 at an angle minus 155 degree volts. This is the voltage across capacitor. It is in phasor domain. In time domain, it will be V of t is equal to 2 cos omega t. The value of omega is 10 to the power 6 t plus, here it is minus, so minus 155 degree, and since it is a voltage, so its unit will be volts. So this is the voltage across capacitor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also check out the other videos related to electrical and electronics engineering on this channel, and thanks for watching.